Good morning, virtual school. It's Mrs. Leach, and we're here for our Friday assembly. Today is September 18th, 2020. Let's start our morning out by doing a little bit of movement.
Here comes the boom. Let me show you how it's done. I'm Sonic. Here comes the boom. I'm Sonic. I am living my best life on Earth. Here it comes. Here comes the boom. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. I'm Sonic. I am living my best life on Earth. This is my power. Here comes the boom. I'm Sonic. Here comes the boom. I'm Sonic. A little ball of super energy in an extremely handsome package. Let me show you how it's done. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Road trip. If they steal my power, they could conquer the universe. I always want to do this. Here comes the boom. I am living my best life on Earth. Good time. Let me know if you want to go around two in the blue. I'm Sonic. I'm Sonic. Nailed it! Woo-hoo!
And now for our Friday announcements. I want to begin by thanking a thank you to those of you that showed honesty and integrity by voting only once for the school name. Everyone needs to give a drum roll. The name that got the most votes is the Online Owls. And now that we have our school name, we'll need our artist to create the logo and mascot. You can draw it by hand or you can create it using computer graphics. Please send your artwork to your teachers by taking a picture of your creation or sharing it in Google Docs. We'd like to have that by the end of the month, by September 30th. On Friday, September 25th, there is no school for students. You are going to have a 3-day weekend. And finally, here's the Friday joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Have a great day of learning and a fantastic weekend, everyone.